Arrested and non-existent. On July 6, 2019, Epstein was arrested in the Teterboro airport. Later, he was charged and denied bail, but taken to a prison cell. On July 24, 2019, August 10, 2019, he was found dead. The FBI released a statement stating,
On setting, August 10, 2019, at approximately 6:30 a.m., inmate Jeffrey Edward Epstein was found unresponsive in his cell in the special housing unit from an apparent suicide at the Metropolitan Correctional Center in New York, New York. Life-saving measures were initiated immediately by responding staff. Staff requested emergency medical services and life-saving efforts continued. Mr. Epstein was transported by EMS to a local hospital for treatment of life-threatening injuries and subsequently pronounced dead by hospital staff. The FBI is investigating the incident.
Epstein's brother, Mark Epstein, had the body examined by a friend/doctor, who found that the injuries look less like suicide and more like homicidal strangulation. There are also conspiracy theories that the suicide was a cover-up, and he is still alive, living in secret. Whether he was killed, committed suicide, or still alive, a fact that needs to be looked at twice is that according to his will, signed 2 days before his death, revealed that his net worth was $577,672,654. The so-called billionaire, who people might have thought was worth billions, had a net worth of less than $600 million. A lot of money, but not billionaire status. When his Palm Beach mansion in Florida and New York mansion in Manhattan was raided, the strangest objects were found. A collection of prosthetic eyes. In a bathroom was a pair of prosthetic breasts, a female doll on a chandelier, and a chessboard with pieces modeled after his staff. It gets weirder. 2 paintings from the same artist were discovered. One was called War Games, featuring President Bush sitting dead with paper planes and fallen Jenga towers on the ground. Another painting featured President Clinton in a blue dress pointing to the viewer. The artist of these paintings, Patrina Ryan Clyde, never knew that her paintings landed up in Epstein's mansions. When you give a dangerous sociopath power and money, you get mansions full of bizarre objects and artwork. It makes sense when you think about it. The island activities that took place on the property is still talked about today.
I think Epstein and Clinton were friends or something?
Crazy story.
He had a wild ride.
That there's a good compromise.
Blackmailing everybody.
Yeah. You're telling me there's a place where they bring elites to compromise them with underage girls and they film them? Really?
Next time there will be a video about the largest heist in U.S. history, where 2 criminals stole artwork worth millions of dollars and were never found. The stolen artwork valued around $200 million. Okay, so you have to subscribe now to be notified when that video is published. Between now and the time of the release of that video, just follow us on Instagram and TikTok for more history content during the week, and please like this video if you really liked it. Thank you for watching.